Hey, what's up everybody? So we need to get that underneath that. So we're going to be making some jack stands out of wood. So stay tuned.
Nobody died.
Good job.
Oh.
Now you just have to build about
48 more to go.
48 more to go.
Okay, so each box is giving us 2 inches of lift per layer.
Right, so, okay, so if we need to go up from the transmission, right, so we need to figure out how high we have to lift the car up. So we get 2 inches, like you said, per block, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then so we need to make sure we can lift the car high enough to drop the old tranny, put this one in. So yeah, let's measure the height of the tranny. Okay, so we're at about 14 inches high, but then we've got the dipstick too. So with the dipstick, it'll be about 18 inches high. We can probably be okay with 14. Should be comfortable enough to like drop
14,
it.
For sure, like 14 to 16.
We probably want to go 16.
Okay.
Because of the tranny stick. All right, so we need 8 boxes per wheel, and so Ashley will keep on measuring and cutting, and I'll help either screwing down the boxes together, or she'll do that, and then we'll knock this out hopefully pretty quick.
That's very optimistic of you.
All right, one down. Let's take a look to see how it came out. And we're at about 16, almost 16 inches high. So there's the rest of the wood. And we will be working on number 2. So let's fast forward this. All right, so we got both the wood car stands completely built. I also picked up a larger jack from Harbor Freight, so lucky enough to have a Harbor Freight nearby. It can lift, or total lift is 19 inches high, or almost 20 inches high. So hopefully this new jack and these new stands will help us get the car up, so that way we can drop the old tranny and put the new one in.